Cane's products and services is profoundly committed to the success of customers whose work is linked to the land, those who cultivate, harvest, transform, enrich, and build upon the land to meet the world's dramatically increasing need for food, fuel, shelter, and infrastructure. Since 1837, John Deere has delivered innovative products of superior quality, built on a tradition of integrity. With feet on the ground and eyes on the horizon, our deep customer understanding has guided us into re-engineering the well-known 3520 to deliver a distinctive John Deere experience. The all-new CH570 harvester, with its outstanding comfort and advanced cane handling system, will provide better returns for your operation by increasing the total tonnage and quality of cane delivered from your field during the whole crop life cycle at a reduced cost. Let us guide you through the improvements, starting with the new front end. We have combined technology with the right balance of smoothness and aggressiveness to handle the cane appropriately. We made the outside scrolls standard so that your unit is always prepared as conditions change. We also made them longer, so separation of large tangled cane begins closer to the ground, and the inside scrolls were angled to improve feeding in heavy cane. Our unique floating crop divider technology was enhanced with a newly designed linkage system. The crop dividers follow the ground profile without plowing, while constantly keeping the toe under lodged cane for minimum soil disturbance. Now let's take a look at the new side knives design. The geometry has been restyled for a gentler cut, while allowing cane to flow freely when not in use. We made the height adjustable to quickly adapt to all possible cane conditions. There was also room for improvements on the knockdown rollers. Overall diameters were increased, and the front roller reach was extended forward for better gripping and feeding. Add the innovative hydraulic tilt to your machine, and the rollers will align simultaneously so that both maintain contact with the cane, minimizing breakage, especially with brittle varieties. The new rear pivot chainless floating sidewalls maintain the proper height to prevent cane losses and the risk of damage during operation or maneuvering. These developments in the front end facilitate the base cutting operation, and to ensure that cane is cut at the desired height, we increase the precision of our exclusive contour base cutter height control, available for customers who opt for the best. Let's continue with the cane flow through the feeding train to see another innovation. We went back to basics and studied the cane movement meticulously and observed how most stalks were fed mainly into the chopper middle section. To correct this, we reshaped lower rollers, so now the cane is spread out evenly. The new chopper is best described as a masterpiece of engineering. We made it modular, so the whole assembly is independent from the harvester mainframe for a better fit and easier service. We also sat it on rubber mounts to absorb vibrations. The chopping area is larger and contact is even through the whole length. As a result, you can expect simpler service, longer component life, uniform higher quality billets, and better feeding into the primary cleaning chamber. It may look the same from the outside, but inside lies a re-engineered primary extractor that cleans better at lower RPM with minimal losses. Countless studies of air, cane billets, and extraneous matter flow were conducted, allowing our designers to reinvent what was already the best in the industry. The optimized airflow is more efficient with less recirculation, allowing better separation of billets and faster trash discharge. It's time to talk about the CH570 powerhouse. John Deere has always been ahead of the game when it comes to meeting emissions regulations. This gives us a head start for fuel economy, as well as delivering higher power bulge, more torque rise, and faster transient response time. The proven John Deere PowerTech 9-liter engine is available in different emission certification levels at 337 or 375 horsepower ratings, satisfying global requirements while delivering the muscle you need to efficiently harvest the heaviest cane. And what about the new cab? Of course, we're always looking for ways of making the operation easier and more relaxed. The all-new premium cab is 30% more spacious and offers all the necessary comfort, convenience, and intelligent features operators need. The enhanced view lets you see past the horizon on just about every side. And with the increased lighting power, you can operate clearly at night. You can access the cab conveniently from the right or from the left. The rear suspension seat has multiple adjustments and swivels so you can find the perfect fit and viewing angle. The double tilt telescopic steering column easily adjusts to your driving preferences. The user-friendly command arm is home to every operating feature you'll need for a simple yet productive day. The multi-function control lever fits your hand comfortably, allowing easy control of ground speed and harvesting functions. Our command center display puts vital machine and harvesting information within easy reach. And with touchscreen technology, it's simple to make quick adjustments. The Harvester Activity Monitor shows how much time your machine has been actually harvesting. You can identify areas of inefficiencies and take corrective actions that will reduce logistics costs. Alerts, engine speed, power meter, and other harvesting performance checks are all well lit and easy to read for your convenience on the perfectly placed digital corner post display. Safety and ease of service have always been on the top of our list. From service safety stops on all appropriate locations, to ladders and handrails on both sides of the machine, and service platforms with non-skid surfacing surrounded by guardrails, our Harvester's design facilitates the technician's job. There you have it, the CH570, built on the shoulders of a landmark of the sugar industry, the 3520.